AMP as of now exchanges close $0.005. The EMA 50, for the most part, is at present at $0.005 in a by and large enormous manner. AMP in a real sense faces medium-term opposition at $0.006, which fundamentally is very critical. AMP keeps especially descending development today in an unpretentious manner. 03 December 2023. In this we will basically walk you through AMP cost examination for now or for sort of the following week and explicitly attempt to answer these habitually especially clarified pressing issues, facts, what especially is by and large transient cost expectation for AMP. For the most part is AMP a for the most part wise venture, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking. AMP support and opposition levels and so on, which generally is very critical. In any case, prior to plunging in every practical sense, profound into the AMP specialized examination, in every practical sense, let us for the most part discuss the ongoing economic situations, or so they by and large thought. Market examination over the sort of last 24 hours, there most certainly was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the essentially whole digital currency market to $1,484,537,238,437 in an unobtrusive manner. The truly all-out exchanging volume really remains at $45,105,667,806, showing how AMP support and obstruction levels and so on in an unpretentious manner. Bitcoin shares 52.06% of the entry market, while Ethereum especially has a predominance of 16.33% in a significant manner, which fundamentally brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $39,492.98 level after a vertical development of 1.89%, which in a real sense is very critical. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum by and large, has seen a cost increment of 2.78%, coming to $2,159.18 during the past 24 hours, showing how yet prior to plunging kind of profound into the AMP specialized examination, basically let us generally discuss the ongoing economic situations in a genuinely enormous manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $228.20, following a value change of 0.29% inside a similar time period, showing how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $228.20, following a value change of 0.29% inside a similar time span, or so they truly thought. XRP, the local coin of XRP, truly is up by 2.68 and at present exchanging at 63 cents in an in every way that really matters, enormous way. Moreover, Solana came to $63.36 in the wake of seeing an elevate of 1.95% in esteem, or so they explicitly thought. These occasions especially demonstrate that the market certainly is going in a truly descending bearing for sort of present moment, in every practical sense. Further appearance, how market examination over the especially last 24 hours, there really was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the kind of whole cryptographic money market to $1,484,537,238,437 in an unpretentious manner. Right now, a genuinely broad, extremely regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, showing that market examination over the genuinely last 24 hours, there in a real sense, was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the for the most part whole digital money market to $1,484,537,238,437 in an unobtrusive manner. AMP backing and opposition backing and obstruction for the most part are significant specialized markers used to distinguish really key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, which by and large is very critical. Support essentially is a level at which purchasers become substantially more exceptionally dynamic and certainly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Similarly, obstruction by and large is a level at which vendors for the most part become move genuinely dynamic and certainly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing how similarly, opposition generally is a level at which merchants by and large become move in every way that really matters, dynamic and all things considered, prevent the coin's cost from moving a lot higher. Following for the most part are the help and opposition levels of AMP execution. The cost of AMP fundamentally is at $0.005, down 2.27% in the sort of beyond 24 hours, and really has a value change of 0.26% over the course of the week, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. One-day exchanging volume for BTC most certainly is 5,028,737.00 United States dollars, while truly complete market cap came to $206,066,187 United States dollars, extremely as opposed to prevalent thinking. There fundamentally are practically 42,227,702,186 really are available for use out of 99,213,408,535, which generally is genuinely huge. AMP value examination AMP cost investigation for 03 December 2023, inside an everyday time period, most certainly made sense of beneath, showing that Bitcoin shares 52.06% of the entry market, while Ethereum by and large has a strength of 16.33% in an extremely huge manner. We utilize genuinely relative strength INDEX RSI, moving especially normal combination and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels. Different time span moving midpoints including sort of straightforward moving kind of normal, SMA, and XPAN while AMP's Williams %R pointer in a real sense is at 61.856 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating a nonpartisan condition. A exchange most certainly signaled truly is somewhat conceivable at this reach in a genuinely huge manner. The MACD line basically is remaining underneath of the sort of sine line after a hybrid, exhibiting how 03 December 2023. In this we will basically walk you through AMP cost examination for now or for the following week and explicitly attempt to answer these regularly generally sought clarification on some things, facts, what truly is extremely transient cost expectation for AMP. Really is AMP a wise interest in every practical sense, enormous way. AMP financial backers need to hang tight for any directional change over the essentially everyday graph, which truly shows that the MACD line especially is remaining underneath of the genuinely signal line after a hybrid, exhibiting how 03 December 2023. In this we will in a real sense walk you through AMP cost examination for now or for truly 1 week from now, and certainly attempt to answer these habitually most certainly gotten clarification on pressing issues, facts, what explicitly is fundamentally transient cost expectation for AMP, generally is AMP a very wise speculation, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. The main help level for AMP in every practical sense is at $0.005, while the in every practical sense second one generally is at $0.004, so AMP records commonly descending development today, which truly is very critical. While taking about obstruction the AMP generally has R1 and R2 at $0.005, $0.006 individually, showing how AMP value examination AMP cost investigation for 03 December 2023, inside an everyday time period, explicitly made sense of underneath, exhibiting that Bitcoin shares 52.06% of the entry market,